I built a fake yogurt brand just to see how far I could push generative AI, but I ended up wasting 6 hours generating random images before I discovered the one prompt shift that changed everything. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you my exact formula that turned my scattered experiments into a scroll-stopping brand campaign. No more endless guessing, no more mismatched outputs, just consistent brand images that looked like they cost $10,000 to produce. Here's what was so frustrating about using AI to generate all my brand images. If you haven't seen the video about the first flavor of my yogurt brand, KINSA Flavor, I'll add a link in the description for you to check it out. I spent so long refining each prompt, tweaking tiny details for that campaign, and it worked, eventually. But when I started the next flavor, KINSA Joy, the same problem hit me again. Different tub sizes, different lighting, different colors. The AI images looked like 3 different photographers shot for 3 different brands. I was back to square one, refining prompt after prompt, and I was just left thinking, what's the point if I have to generate 50 images just to accidentally find 3 that match? I had hex codes for brand colors, I had composition rules for each shot, I had lighting setups, so I thought I was being specific enough, but the results were still inconsistent, just outputs with no actual cohesion. That's when it hit me. I wasn't thinking like a brand designer. I was just listing visual specs. So I tried something completely different. Instead of just giving AI colors and props, I gave it something else, a brand voice. I wrote a campaign style description, like what you'd see in a pitch deck, with tone, mission, and vibe. Then I added that brand voice into every single prompt, and suddenly everything changed. With the same yogurt container and the same lighting, every image felt like it came from the same world. A website-ready hero shot, a scroll-stopping social visual, and a clean lifestyle image that actually felt like a campaign. When you give AI just visual specs, it builds a scene. But when you give it a brand voice, it builds a world. And that's the difference. Before, I had 10 random images that didn't even belong in the same folder. Now, I have a complete brand campaign and a method I can use in the future. Here's the exact structure I use now. Brand voice description plus exact hex values for brand colors plus consistent visual language. The trick isn't just being more specific. It's thinking like a creative director. Consistency comes from having a consistent voice to reference. Hex values help, but brand identity is what drives cohesion. This one change saved me hours of editing, guessing, and re-rendering. If you've been tired of fighting with your AI prompts, hit that like button so more creatives like you can see this video. And subscribe if you want to see how I use this method to build my next campaign, because honestly, this changed how I direct AI forever.